how many formulas there for a triangle? How many formulas are there? How many formulas are there for a triangle? First one is what is that? Area of triangle 1 half into BH. Next one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, what is the formula? Equilateral triangle is equal to, what is that? Root 3 by 4a square. And scaling triangle formula. Heron's formula. Heron's formula, tell me. Heron's formula. Scaling formula. Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. C where S is equal to perimeter of the scalar triangle A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C by 2. Another one which you don't know, that I can tell. What is that? There is a equal 10 centimeter this side and this side. What is the triangle? Isosceles triangle. The formula of isosceles means isosceles triangle is equal to area of isosceles triangle is equal to half into A into B into sin theta. Sin theta. Here this equation will be useful for clearing this question. Next one is, what is another formula? On graph. The graph coordinate geometry, there is coordinate geometry. The graph area of triangle is equal to area of triangle in graph. In graph, what is that? Half modulus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Here x has 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. x3, y2, y1. x3, y2, y1. Here x3, here x2, 3, 1. Here x 1, 2, 3. There are 4 formulas for finding the area of a triangle. What is triangle given here? What is the triangle given here? Isosceles. What is this? What is this area? What is this area? That is the segment. What is the segment? Segment is a region bounded by or closed by, bounded by arc and this is arc and radius. Arc and radius is a segment, which may be a minor segment or major segment. Here, how do you find the major segment or minor segment? First, we will have to make it out to minor segment. Minor segment is equal to minor segment is equal to minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of sector minus area of triangle. What is the area here? What is the area of sector? Area of sector is equal, there is a formula xy x by 360 into pi r square for sector formula, and area of triangle here we have seen that isosceles triangle, that's why use half into AB into sin theta. Here what is the angle? What is the angle? Right angle is subtends. Right angle at the center. Right angle at the center. That's why you use 90 by 360 into and 22 by pi. 22 by 7 into r square. How much? 10 into 10 minus half into 10 into sin 90. Sin 90, what is sin 90? What is the value of sin 90? What is the value of sin 90? 1. It is 1. It is 1. Now what is here? We can get cancelled 0 and 0. 9 fours. What is that? 1 by 4 into 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 10 by 10, 100 minus 1 by 2 into 100 into 1. Okay. Start. 100 into sin 90 is equal to 1. What should be common? What should be taken as common? 2 2s, 2 11s. 1 by 2 into 100 is there both sides. 1 by 2 into 100, comma, 100 half, what is there? 11 by 7 minus 11 by 7 minus 1 by 1. It is very, it would be very easy. 2 50s do. Then the 50 of 7, 11 minus 7, how much? 11 minus 7, 4. 11 by 7, how much? 11 by 7, 4 by 7. 4 by 7. 54s are 200. 200 by 7. 200 into 7 divided. 7 2s. 7 2s, how much? 14. 6. 7. 7 8. 56. Next, how much? 4 0. If you put point, you have to take 0. 7 5s 35. 35 remaining 5 is there. Again we keep 7 7s 49. 1 means 7 1s 7 3. This is the answer. 28.571. What is this equal to? Cm square is the answer.